guys, so today I have got the Cures and Curses secret satchel for March to show you. Now for anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's a UK box and it's £29.95. I do have a 10% discount code which is Luna10, which I will put here on the screen now and down below in the description as well, in case you want to go and check them out and get one, then you get it a little bit cheaper. But like I said, this is the March box, and this month's theme is Ostara and Spring Equinox. Now this is just a little sheet that tells you what comes in it. I'm not going to read off this because I'm just going to show you what's in the box, but it does also tell you about like different ways to celebrate and stuff like that on here. So if you want to quickly pause the video and read any of that, then you can do. Basically, Ostara and Spring Equinox is like kind of Easter time, I guess. So I am going to show you what is in here. Now this usually comes in one of these little bags, which we do have, but a lot of the items in this month's box are larger, so they didn't come actually in the bag, they came kind of in the cardboard box with it, which is fine, but I'm just letting you know that we do have some bigger stuff as well. So the first thing we have is our print for this month, and my mum, when she saw this, wanted to steal it straight away. This is a Triple Goddess digital print, so it just looks like this. Very pretty, quite big as well. I think this is like an A4 sized print, so definitely one of the bigger ones that we get in subscription boxes. I think Witch Casket are usually like half the size of these ones, so there is that. Then next I'll show the smaller items and then I'll show the bigger ones last. So we've got a pillar, is it a pillar candle? Like a tapered candle, I guess you would call it, in kind of like a creamy white sort of colour. So just a full size one of those. We have some vanilla incense. Now I don't love incense sticks, but I've never seen vanilla ones before. They definitely smell a little bit like vanilla, but definitely more just a general incense kind of smell, but there is those anyway. Then next we have some lemongrass spring wax melts, 100% natural soy. It says lemongrass has been used as a healing herb in folklore for hundreds of years. Its magical properties include aiding in communication and openness, as well as providing protection and helping with luck in love affairs. I really like lemongrass, so I have high hopes for these. Oh my god, I can smell them already. Okay, so these are just cute little, I think they're all different shapes, but they're kind of like ivy leaves and stuff like that. So there is 4 in there, I think. Smell amazing, so strong. Such like lemongrass is one of those smells that's super strong. So some little wax melts. Then next we have a marigold and aloe handmade soap. It says it's vegan. Marigolds are a flower of protection and harmony. Garlands of marigold strung upon doorposts will prevent evil and negativity from entering a home. Dried or fresh flowers scattered underneath the bed will protect whilst sleeping. So this is a soap. And it seems that each month we get a soap and wax melts recently, so I'm not sure if that's kind of like their thing now, but oh, this is pretty. Okay, so doesn't smell like I expected it to. It's quite a like a masculine sort of scent, but it's super pretty though. It's not really showing up on camera. In person it's really, really clear and bright yellow with like bits of flower in there. Yeah, that's really not showing up great on this camera, but in person it's really pretty anyway. So there is that. Then next we have a moon gazing hair ceramic mug. Again, when my mum saw this, she also wanted this. A lot of people ask, because I don't practice, what happens to the stuff that I get from boxes. And the answer is, a lot of it I give to my mum, or some of it I will sell on Depop, and some of it I do keep. So this is kind of like a turquoisey teal coloured cup with the moon gazing hair on it. It's quite a nice size actually, like it's not a really small one but it's not a big one either. And then there's one thing left before the two big things. So it comes in this little velvety pouch with the same moon gazing hair on it. It's got like bits of burlap sack on it, but that's fine. And this is just a cute little hair. It seems to be made out of a stone. I'm not sure if it's like onyx or something. The little like label just says, "May this lucky hair bring growth, abundance, new beginnings and fortune." So it doesn't actually say what it's made from, so not too sure, but he is cute though. And then we have the two biggest things left. So this is a spell for Ostara, and it does tell you how to do it on the front, so I'll hold it up in a second so you can pause it and read it if you want to. But it says you will need a candle, some herbs, anointing oil and a sharp object. So if anyone wants to pause and read that, if you can, then that is what it says. But in here we have the anointing oil, which is cedar wood or cedar wood, grapefruit, orange, chamomile and ylang ylang. We have a selenite egg, which I have been getting a lot of selenite lately, but this is probably the biggest chunk I've got. This is like a whole duck egg size. Very, very pretty. I'm not sure if it's showing up great. Oh, there we go. That is our selenite egg. It's really heavy as well. So there is that. And there is a little jar of some kind of mixed herbs in here as well, with a cute little like wax stamp on the top of the jar. I did just have a quick look at this to see what was in this jar, and in here there is marigold, lavender, hibiscus, mint and chamomile. So that is what this herb blend is in here. And then the last item we have is in this box, and this is a terracotta triple moon plaque. So it's made of like a terracotta pot kind of stuff, and it's got this goldy coppery sort of effect to it. Hopefully it's showing up well on the camera. Again, this is really heavy and really pretty. I would definitely put this out in the garden if I had my own garden. I will probably keep this to put up somewhere one day. But yeah, again, like always in these boxes, great quality and definitely worth the money, I would say. So that was everything in the March one. I will quickly grab it all together and show you it all at once again. So we had the print. I'm going to put this down just so it doesn't get squashed, but there was the print, the triple moon terracotta plaque, the vanilla incense sticks, the lemongrass wax melts, the marigold and aloe handmade soap, the little moon gazing hair like little figure, which I think is a gemstone but I'm not 100% sure, the spell kit which comes with herbs and the anointing oil, and also the selenite egg was in this box but I'm not sure if it was supposed to be, but those three things are in there anyway. The candle and the mug. So let's see if I can hold them all. Yeah, there we go. So all of these things in the March Cures and Curses secret satchel, along with the print as well. Like I said, again, really liked this box. I've liked all of them. I think February so far was my favourite, but this one was also a really good one as well. So you'll have to let me know down below what you think of this one. I know a lot of you really do like this one, which is great. But yeah, I will put all the info for them down below anyway in case you want to go and check them out. Like I said, I do have the 10% code too in case you want a little bit of money off. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.